Everyone's always talking about the big banks and flashy finance companies. But do you know where the real magic is happening? Not in the metros, not in the headlines, but quietly in the small towns of India. There is a company most people ignore, yet it's changing lives every single day. It's called Repco Home Finance. While others chase trend, this company helping thousands of people build their first home. No noise, no hype, just a solid work. And here's the twist. Behind that silence are strong numbers, steady growth, and a customer base. Could this small town hero be the next big surprise in housing finance? Let's uncover the story of this hidden gem. You may start to understand or appreciate something differently or more clearly than before. Repco Home Finance Limited is started in April 2000. As the name suggests, it is a housing finance company that helps people buy their own home. It is a part of Repco Bank, which is also known as Reptritus Cooperative Finance and Development Bank Limited. Repco Home Finance gives two types of loan. First one is home loan for individual and second one is loan against property. Under the home loan for individual, the company gives money to people to buy, build and repair their homes. Some of their loan types are called Dream Home Loan, Plot Loan, Super Loan, Repco Privilege, and Home Makeover Loan. Under the loan against property, the company gives loan by keeping your property as a security. Some of its loan types are Prosperity Loan, New Horizon Loan, and a Commercial Real Estate Loan. As of FY25, Repco Home Finance Limited has a total loan portfolio of 14,492 crore. Out of these, 73% are regular home loan and 27% are loan against property. All these loans are given to retailers, not to a big companies or a builders. These customers are mix of 48% salaried and a 52% of self-employed. Repco Home Finance is working in 12 states and one union territory. The company has a total 233 branches, out of which 189 are main branches and 44 are smaller satellite. The company has a special two types of branches which especially focus for recovering and collecting loan payments. The company's most business come from South India. Tamil Nadu contribute 56% revenue, Karnataka contribute 12% revenue, and Maharashtra contribute 10% revenue. Repco Home Finance Board of Directors met on 16th of May 25 where they gave green light for major fundraising plan. They approved raising up to 1500 crore through NCDs and additional 1000 crore via commercial papers. These funds are raised via private placement, which will be helpful for company's balance sheet and revenue. Now let's discuss future growth of Repco Home Finance. First one is strong focus on loan growth and expansion. Repco Home Finance is planning to grow bigger in the coming years. In FY26, they want to give out loans worth 4,000 crore and grow their total loan book to 16,200 crore. They are also opening more branches, especially outside Tamil Nadu, to reach more customers across India. Second one is a better loan quality and low bad loans in the new book. The company has changed the way it checks loan application, especially for the business people. Now they look at a cash flow, bank statements, and do business visits to make better loan decision. Because of these, loans given in the last 2 years have a very low bad loans, only 0.7%, which shows their new method is working well and is a good for the future growth. Now I'll discuss leadership. Mr. T. Karunakaran became the new MD and the CEO of Repco Home Finance in April 25. He has been working with the company since 2004. Earlier, he worked as a CFO and a Chief Operating Officer. He has having more than 33 years of experience in the housing finance sector. Now discuss financials. Repco Home Finance has a market cap close to 3,000 crore. This stock is currently trading at the PE ratio of around 6, which is almost the same as its 5 years average P of 6.4. In the comparison, many other housing finance companies are trading at the P ratio about 20, except for the LIC Housing Finance. The company's return on capital employed is 11% and return on equity stands at 14.4%, which shows that the business is able to generate profit from the money it uses. The price to book value is close to 0.8, which means that the stock is priced lower than its book value. In comparison, many other peer companies are trading above the 3 times their book value. Looking at the profit and loss statement, The company recorded its highest ever revenue and a profit in the financial year ending March 25. Sales were 1,685 crore and the net profit stood at 4,601 crore, both the highest ever in company's history. When it comes to shareholding, about 70% of the company is held by promoters, FIIs and DIIs, which means are strong and long-term investors, have a major share. The remaining 30% is with the public. Now I'll discuss technical chart. Repco Home Finance is currently down nearly 50% from its lifetime high. Interestingly, the stock is trading at around the same price level it had back in June 2014. But if we compare the financial performance, the company's numbers today are far stronger than they were in 2014, especially the net profit, which has reached record high. On the technical chart setup, Repco Finance is forming a beautiful cup with handle pattern, which reflect a strong base formation after a long period of correction and a sideways movement. Let me know in the comment below what do you think about this setup. This video is purely for the educational purposes. This is not a buy sell call. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. We'll be back in next video. Till time, happy investing.